as ABC. So you come, you open your Nikki app. So the app is open already. You see, you have live, you have club, you have post, you have chat, and me. So me, that's your profile. So you go to start live. So you click on this start live, and then you see you are live. All right. So I'm going to stream live a bit so that people will see and know what I'm doing. So I'm streaming live right now, and you see, I'm live. So Nikki app is very simple and easy to use, and a lot of people don't know. Sometimes they find it difficult to use Nikki app, but it's one of the best streaming platform that you have here for now. So why don't you download Nikki app today and then stream and then get more, connect to people, friendship and stuff. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.